this in school days? Oh, it was another bag. You know what to do.
I heard we might be getting a new student here soon, so I put together this little welcoming party for you. It's really nice to have someone new to play with. Don't tell the others, but they've been getting pretty boring lately. But you'll spice things up around here, won't you? You can share everything with me. All your secrets, all your mistakes, all your pain. That's what best friends are for. Right?
Looks like school is back in session.
Ready or not, here I come!
An unmarked grave. It must be hers.
over here.
That's all of the shards here. But it's only half. The ring barrier is still active. There must be more in another part of the school. Hurry and find the next zone.
Aw, you took all my friends. Well, it's been a while since I got to play with anyone this long. But I can't play around with you anymore. Now, I'll show you what I can really do. Like what I've done with the place?
How creative. It's her victims. The school has become her dollhouse.
Ready or not, here I come! I'm really gotcha. over here. Where'd you go? trying to be nice to you, but you don't care! You don't want to be my friend, you just want to steal my things! You're a mean, bad person! Now you're in trouble. You made Daddy mad, too.
Emperor mortal. Give that back to me. Hand it over, and I'll make more deal.
Gotcha!
You fool! You tricked me faster! Malak's here!
Try to run. It won't do you any good.
Idiot! Do not fail me again!
Give that back to me. Hand it over.
Gotcha!
I'll make
You
more
fool!
deal.
You triggered it! Move faster! Malak's here!
No shortcuts. Try to run. It won't do you any good.